We are back, more bachata, and this one's going to be fun. Today we're doing Dile que no and Dile que no with a turn. So for the lady, what you're going to learn, as I said before, is that this crossbody lead happens in pretty much every single dance there is. And what a crossbody lead is 3 steps straight ahead. That's it. The trick is, somewhere along those 3 steps, you're going to rotate to face your partner. Now, it could be step number 1, 2, 3, or at the end of all 3. Now, what we want to do also in this video is put in a turn for the girls into the crossbody lead. This is going to require a little dance technique, something we call trail, pivot, trail. 1 and 2 and 3 hip roll, 2 and 2 and 3 hip roll, arrepentida, hip roll. Now, ladies, when you make this turn, step number 1 is a trail. That means you're going to step onto your foot and drag the back foot behind or trail it behind. Trail. Your pivot happens as you replace the weight. Your weight is now in the center of both feet. Simply rotate. There. That is a pivot. Now, repeat step number 1, the trail. And there you have trail, pivot, trail, and a very nice underarm turn. Now we'll dance that again. Arrepentida, 2 hip roll. Now you have trail, pivot, trail, hip roll. It's a fun movement, it's an easy movement, but that trail, pivot, trail is going to require a little practice. So back this video up a couple of times and practice trail, pivot, trail. And guys, yeah, we have to do it too. Not now, but later. So while you're standing there laughing at the girls, practice trail, pivot, trail. It's also a really good idea to practice on both sides because sometimes you'll do it with the other foot. That's going to throw you off. All right, have fun.